Zubaida and welcome to Introduction to Accounting. Before we proceed with today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So let's get straight into it. Since today is our first lesson, we will be going through some basic accounting questions. What is accounting? Why study accounting? What is the function of accounting? And who are the users of financial statements? So guys, what is accounting? Accounting can be defined as the systematic recording of monetary values of transactions of an individual, business, or entrepreneur. From this definition, I'd like to highlight two important words, the word systematic as well as the word monetary. The word systematic refers to accounting being a step-by-step process. It starts with a source document, moves on to a journal entry, a ledger entry, the trial balance, and finally the financial statement. So this diagram will be explained towards later videos. Moving on to the second word, monetary. The word monetary refers to the fact that accounting deals with cash, both directly as well as indirectly. Accounting is seen as an extremely prestigious subject in society. A career in accounting offers a great deal of stability and satisfaction. So guys, why study accounting? Accounting is an essential factor in every business in order to keep track of funds. Entrepreneurs require a basic knowledge of accounting in order to interpret financial statements. Individuals use accounting in order to manage their affairs more effectively. So on to question 3. What is the function of accounting? The main function of accounting is to capture information of a business's activities so that it can be reported in the form of financial statements. So guys, let's just stop there for a moment. Financial statements. What do we mean by financial statements? What makes up a set of financial statements for a business? That would be the statement of profit and loss, the statement of changes in equity, the statement of change in financial position, and lastly the statement of cash flow. So guys, the statement of profit and loss, also referred to as statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income. This statement reflects the profit or loss incurred by an entity. The statement of changes in equity, it shows the owner's equity through the accounting period. The statement of change in financial position. This statement reflects the entity's net worth at any specific point in time. And lastly, the statement of cash flow. This statement shows us the flow of cash within a business. These four statements make up the set of financial statements. They assist users both within as well as outside a company in order to make good decisions. So this brings us on to our last question. Who are the users of financial statements? The users of financial statements are investors, lenders of money, employees, the public, as well as the government. Investors. These are people that provide capital to an entity. When an investor puts money into a business, they expect a good return. They require the financial statements in order to make a decision on the profitability of a business to determine if they will be getting a good return on the investment. If not, investors tend to withdraw their shares. Lenders of money. Lenders of money, they require the financial statements in order to determine if their loans will be paid back. Our third user being employees. Employees require the financial statements in order to determine if the company will exist in the near future. Then we have the public. The public requires this information in order to determine if the company is employing or if they are giving back to the community. Then lastly, we have the government. The government uses the financial information in order to regulate business activities, in order to determine if a company is paying enough tax. So guys, these are not the only examples of uses of financial statements. There are many more, but unfortunately, that's all we have time for today. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for next videos.